What's up, guys? It's me and Jacob back at it again, and today we're gonna be doing even more sledding. I know y'all saw it in the last video and y'all loved it. How you feeling, Jacob?
I'm feeling great. We got a bunch of ice instead of snow now. We're gonna throw the pickle down the hill and see how it goes.
Alright guys, so this looks pretty unsafe, so we're gonna send the pickle down first and see what happens. Alright guys, so as y'all know, this is the more dangerous board, so what better to do than go down with it? Let's go. Oh my God. My butt. Alright, that's it.
Oh.
Dude.
Oh.
Jacob's done. Jacob good? Is Jacob good?
Jacob, no. Oh.
Alright guys, so sledding went pretty well. And then I tried to skimboard and hit my leg, so I think we're done. But it was fun. But yeah, it was great. It's really cold.
Again! This might be the dumbest thing I've ever done. Whoa! My foot!
Scared.
That's so good!
Fuck! Not loud enough. Thank you. I keep power warm.
You guys are not real friends.
keeping the car
you guys
warm.
aren't helping me look for the... We got the pickle, guys. Told y'all not to worry. All right, y'all, we got a new spot. We're at Elon, and we got a new guest with us. What's up? You know, we out here.
Hey,
Ready to do some tricks.
about to be D1.
I'm not going. Oh wait, I can go with you. I can go with you. All right, y'all, we're having some fun. A few injuries, but you know, otherwise we're having a great time. So thank you guys so much for staying here.